everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you how to customize your Photoshop toolbar. So check this out. You can see all this tool right on the left. When you really don't need all this tool, you must remove it, or you can declutter the tools, right? Click edit, toolbar, and you can see on the left, right, this is for active on this one, right? So on the right side in inactive tool. For example, if you want to remove rectangular mercury tool, you can only slide this to the right. Okay, can do this one, do this. Okay, so if you want to save this setting, you can press this one, save preset, and you say where do you want to save your setting. For example, I save it on my desktop and I name it my toolbar setting. Okay, you click down. For example, again, when you on your new Photoshop installer, but you can use again that your preset, only click this one to load your preset again. Click this one, load preset, and you find your toolbar setting. For example, this one, my toolbar setting on my desktop. I click open, and you can see all this setting, right? And that's it. It's a simple tutorial for this your declutter your Photoshop toolbar tool. I hope you really like it. In the next video, I show you what tools I always use to make Photoshop manipulation. So thank you.